Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff. I don't know. Anyway. Hello and welcome to StarPuppy. I'm Danielle, your resident weirdo, and welcome to the Chaos Corner. It's time to cosplay, baby! On my Patreon, like a month ago, I asked my dearest patrons to help me determine who I should cosplay. Turns out, Todoroki was in the mix. And for anyone who isn't into anime or doesn't know this particular show, this is Todoroki Shoto from My Hero Academia. He's a very cool boy. He's got half heat and half ice powers, and it's a very good show. I highly recommend checking it out, and today I will be cosplaying him. Yay! By the way, if you're interested in coming on over to the Deluxe Weirdness, aka my Patreon, link here and in the description. En la caja de descripción. I'm back and more chaotic than normal. I just ate some chili-covered mango and I'm feeling spicy. My first cosplay was Kiki's Delivery Service, which was a journey that ended up in success in my book. So let's try again. Let's build this skill together. So I want to have Afro-textured hair and curly hair as much as possible, and I'd like to use my own hair. So I was like, how could I incorporate my hair into this cosplay? I went ahead and hopped on Amazon. I'm gonna link everything I use in the description box below. Pick and choose whatever you want, no pressure. Nothing is sponsored. I went ahead and got my colored wax, one in white and one in red, and now we're gonna go in. What I'll be doing now is splitting my hair down the middle and dyeing one half red, one half white, and doing a braid out. Then tomorrow we'll do the outfit, we'll attempt the makeup. And then we're gonna unbraid these suckers and see what happens. What I learned from my Kiki video is look at your reference. So watch me go on this computer and look at which side is which, because that would be the thing that gets me. On his left side is red. On his right side is white. White, red, white, red. Yes. This one's me right now. Let's go braid out.
Welcome to day 2 of my Todoroki cosplay. No one knows what's under here but you and I. It's makeup time, and if you're new to this channel, just know that I'm new at makeup. First up is foundation! Here, I'll bring you in a little closer. So this is the Glossier Foundation in G2. I'm using it because it is the best match I have ever experienced on my skin ever. Also, it is a pretty sheer coverage, and this is my face without any makeup on it, and I figured I should probably wear foundation. We're just out here doing what I think is best because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not sure if that's been obvious yet, but I'll be the first to say it. Oh yes, now it's time for Inglot setting powder. Now what I learned from my last video was that this dewy foundation, dewy, the look I tend to look for, it does not lend itself to flat characters. So I am using this in an attempt to flatten my features, to simplify them, to take out some of that dewiness, and it's totally working. And to make it even more matte, I'm taking the Innisfree No-Sebum powder and going just ham, bacon, cheese, and eggs all over my face to make it as flat and as 2D as possible. I think it's working! I think it's totally working! It's going well! Now give me a second, I'm gonna go and look at my reference. We learned to do that last time now, didn't we? Oh. Hey, guess what? Todoroki has thin eyebrows. My nemesis. This is live footage of me squinting at my eyebrows to see if I could get away with using my natural eyebrows. Can you guess what the answer is? Never cosplay, kids. Never! Not even once. Not even one time. Just like last time, here I am, putting glue on my eyebrows. Like and subscribe, please. I'm doing this for you. I went ahead and played the game, wonder if my shade is being sold here again. Between the Kiki video and this one, turns out my shade is still not sold in my vicinity, so I'm gonna use eyeshadow. I'm literally going to use this black eyeshadow. Oh my goodness, it actually worked. I could not believe it.
So much that I had to, whatever this is, like a dragon smize, I guess. Okay, it's time to try to highlight. Again, nothing really matched my skin tone very well. It was either peach or some kind of brown that was very close to my skin tone. So, yeah, you'll see. You'll see. Time to cover up these eyebrows. I think for my first time contouring, I did pretty well. So now time to ruin that with some super glossy concealer. I only just now recently read the comments from the Kiki stuff, and I'm supposed to put on the glue before I put on foundation, but I didn't know that yet. So that's all I have to say. I'm gonna do the other eyebrow later, so right now I was attempting to get like that kind of sunken eye look, bring a little more dimension back into my face since I powdered it away. It could use some work, but I think it was a good idea. I do not currently have faith in myself to be able to pull off an effects burn mark, so we're just gonna do an avant-garde red splotch on my face and call it an artistic choice, shall we? I'm going to mix these two colors, and let me tell you, this is the best worst palette for me because look at this color payoff. Please look at it. Hello? Can I help you? Knock, knock. Are you there? Honestly, this was probably a good thing for me because I'm such a makeup newbie. It gave me a lot of chances to get it right and a lot of chances to get it wrong, and that actually worked out to my benefit in the end. Finally, we're done with the makeup. On to something I know about. Hair. editing Danielle here. POV, Todoroki is your tutor. 5 seconds only, that's all. Five seconds is up. Thank you so much to my beautiful patrons in the deluxe weirdness. These are my starry spaniel patrons. If you'd like to join this wonderful crawl of beautiful people, I highly suggest that you check out the link in the description box for my Patreon, or click in the upper right hand corner to visit my Patreon. And if you'd like to be in this beautiful crawl, I suggest the starry spaniel tier. Now, I upload on Tuesdays at evening Eastern Standard Time, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe and like. It really helps me fight the algorithm dragon. This has been me, Danielle, your resident weirdo. Say it with me now, StarPuppy. Away! Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.